Clandestine is an adjective that describes something done in secrecy, often to conceal illicit or improper activities. It conveys a sense of deliberate concealment, typically associated with actions that would face disapproval or punishment if revealed. Origins of clandestine. The word clandestine stems from the Latin clandestinus, meaning secret or hidden. This in turn comes from clam, which means in secret. The term entered the English language in late Middle Ages and has since been used to describe covert or concealed actions. How to use clandestine. Clandestine is often used in formal or literary contexts to describe secretive activities, especially those related to espionage, forbidden relationships, or covert operations. Example sentences. The spies held a clandestine meeting to exchange sensitive information. Their clandestine romance was the subject of much speculation in the small town. The organization was accused of running clandestine operations outside the law. In similar words, secret, something kept hidden from others. Covert, not openly acknowledged or displayed. Surreptitious, done in a way to avoid notice or attention. Stealthy, acting in a cautious and concealed manner. Nuances of clandestine. Neutral to negative connotation. While clandestine can describe neutral secrecy, it often implies dubious or illegal motives. Formal tone. The word is more formal than secret or hidden, making it suitable for academic, legal, or narrative contexts. Cultural and literary usage. Clandestine is frequently used in spy novels, political thrillers, and historical accounts to describe covert activities such as secret meetings, espionage, or underground movements. It evokes a sense of intrigue, danger, and the need for discretion. In essence, clandestine is a word that captures the essence of secrecy and hidden motives, often hinting at tension, risk, or forbidden actions beneath the surface. It paints a vivid picture of a world where things are concealed from prying eyes. Subscribe.